n into p into q, and further standard deviation will be represented by sigma, and that is equals to root npq. Only these two formulas are used for the next exercise. And also you have to use the concept of random variable, which we have studied in second or first exercise, a concept of binomial distribution, which we have taken in order. Okay. Now the first question from this exercise, what
I
is
think
the
we have accidentally removed Nana from the meeting. It was showing
okay?
the notification.
Okay, that I removed her like this.
Yes, sir.
Oh. I think some other notification was there, so I was trying to. Okay, just wait. Okay, so he- okay, one more thing you must have to understand. This is mean and this is variance. Some question asks for binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. I think this topic was in class 11th in your math syllabus. And the binomial distribution is basically expansion of a plus b whole raised to power n. So it has certain expansion. आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है क्या ये 11th में?
Sir, I think you
No,
told
sir.
us once.
Yes, it is nc0 a raised to power n b raised to power 0 like this. So we have a long expansion of this. So here the binomial expansion is like this: p plus q whole raised to power n. This expression is called as binomial distribution. So in some question it is asked to write the binomial distribution. So what you have to write? You just have to put the value of p, q and whole raised to power n. Here n is number of trial, p and q are probability of success and failure in individual trial. Okay, like that. Okay. So let's start with the first question. ठीक है ना, ये क्लियर ना? मीन का फॉर्मूला ये है, वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला ये है, यही दो फॉर्मूले यूज होंगे. ओके.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's say questions are asked
Yes.
that we have to frame an equation for example, a plus b to the power 10.
No, it is there. Questions are there in exercise. When we come to that question, I will explain how it will be framed. Okay. So let's start with the first question. I think I have the image of this first. Let me check. Exercise, I think. So just check the first question. So the first question is, here it is, first question. Yes. So the first question is, find the mean of the binomial distribution. Here it is written b under bracket 8 1 by 4. Okay. And we have to calculate the mean. Okay. So the first value refers to the number of trials, means n. And second value refers to the success, p. So you have to calculate mean. So just multiply the two numbers. So 8 into 1 by 4, you will get 2. This is the answer. That's it. Okay. First question clear to both of you?
Yes, sir.
Now the question number 2. Question number 2 is, in a binomial distribution, if n is equals to 20, q is equal to 0.6, find the mean. So for mean, we need p. And how we can find p? P is
1
equals to
minus
1 minus q. So it will be 0.4. So mean will be equals to 20 into 0.4. And further we can write 20 into 4 upon 10 and you will get 8. So this will be your mean. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 3. Question number 3, a binomial distribution if mean is 5. So mean means NP is given to you, it is 5, and the variance is 4. Variance means NPQ is equal to 4. It is given to you. Now you have to find the number of trials. Number of trials means N is equals to question mark. Okay. So what we will do here in this case, look, put the value of NP is equal to 5 here. Here in place of NP write 5. So 5Q will be equals to 4 and you will get Q is equals to 4 by 5. Now if you get Q, you can further find P. P is equals to 1 minus Q, which is equals to 1 minus 4 upon 5, like this. Okay, so the value of P will be 1 by 5. Is it clear? Now we got P also. Now put the value of P here and you will get number of trials N. So N into 1 upon 5 is equals to 5 and you will get N is equal to 25. That's it. This is your answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now try to solve further. I think till question number 7, 8 you can try. Try to solve these questions. Okay. So question बने क्या एक आध दो?
Sir, solving fifth.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Fifth one solve.
So in question number 5, it says that find the expected expected number of heads. Expected number of heads means mean. You have to find the value of mean, and that is NP. Okay. In 20 tosses of a fair coin. So here number of trials is 20. Now what is the value of P? P, the success is getting head. And for each toss, the probability of getting head is 1/2. Okay. So here P is equal to 1/2. So the mean will be 20 into 1/2. That is 10. That's it. Clear? Shavi, Naina?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the question number 6. This was the 5th question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is, a die is tossed twice. A success is defined as getting an odd number on a random toss. Find the mean and variance of the number of successes. Okay. So a die is tossed twice. Okay. So the value of n is given to you. It is 2, number of trials. Okay. So first we will write n is equal to 2. Okay. Now here the success is defined as getting an odd number. So in a single throw, the probability of getting an odd number is 1/2, 3/6. So probability of success P is equals to 1/2. Okay. Now the question is, determine the mean and variance. So the value of mean will be 1. Okay. And the value of variance, that is equals to NPQ. So the value of Q will also be 1/2. So here 2 into 1/2 into 1/2, and you will get 1/2 only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, I think you can try all these questions from this exercise, and if you have any doubt, then we will continue solving this in the next class. Okay. 9.4.
Sir, once I sent you doubt from that matrices chapter.
Okay. Today, or when you have sent me the doubt?
On 19th January.
Okay. X is equals to -9 is the, which one, the first one or second part?
Sir, actually both the parts.
Okay, for both the parts.
Sir, but especially the first one, because it says x is equals to -9 is a root
Okay.
of all the x's.
Okay, okay. Let me explain you this question. The question is, x is equal to -9. X is equal to -9 is a root of this determinant, and determinant is x3 7 2x2 7 6x, that is equals to 0. Okay, like this. So the first step you have to do is you have to expand this determinant, solve this determinant. So if I start expanding this determinant using first row, the here it will be x, further it will be x square minus 12, like this. Next it will be -3 under bracket 2x minus 14, like this. Next it will be +7 under bracket 12 minus 7x, and that is equals to 0. Yahan tak clear hai, Shavi? Okay. Further, when we simplify this, you will get x cube minus 12x. Here this term will be -6x plus 14 3s are 42. Plus 12 7s are 84. Minus 7 7s are 49x, like this. Further, rearrange this complete expression, and I think you will get first term will be x cube only. Second term will be minus 12x minus 6x and minus 49x. So it is minus 18 minus 67. I think minus 67x plus 42. Plus 42 and plus 84. So the addition will be 126, that is equals to 0. I think you will get this equation. You got the result till this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here this equation is actually a cubic equation, cubic polynomial, because here the degree is 3, and From here we will get three values of x. Now the one value is given to you, that is x minus 3, and further we have to find remaining two values of x. Okay, now how we can determine remaining two values? So for that, first we will write this as x plus 3, because when we shift this minus 9 here, we will get x plus 9. Okay, and this x plus 9 will be a factor of this cubic polynomial. Okay, so we will divide this cubic polynomial with x plus 9, and we will get some remainder which will be quadratic. And by solving that quadratic polynomial, we will get the two values of x, remaining two values of x. So here we have to apply long division method, which we have studied in class 9th and 10th. So first we will write this cubic equation, and we will divide with x plus 9. So first term in remainder quotient will be x square. Now multiply x square with this x, we will get x cube plus 9x square, like this. Further we will subtract the terms, negative negative, these two terms get cancelled out, and here it is 9x square minus 67x plus 126. Now the next term in quotient will be minus 9x. Further multiply this, you will get minus 9x square minus minus plus 81x. Now again change the sign of this term. This term gets cancelled out. Further add these two terms. So you will get, I think, plus which value we will get? Minus, it will be negative. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 plus...
I think it is wrong there, no? X cube.
Which, where?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. 7 plus 1, 8, 6 plus 8, 14, minus 148 plus 126, like this. Now the next term will be minus 148. So when we multiply, I think something is wrong here. Let me check the question again. This cubic polynomial is correct or not? X plus 3, x3, 7, 2, x2, 7, 6, x.
Sir,
Hmm?
here minus 9x is multiplied with 9, so it will be minus 81x.
Yes. It will be minus 81. Sorry, it will be minus 81. Further, it will be positive. Yes. So, yes, I think here we had made a mistake. Okay, so plus 81 minus 67, we will get, I think, plus 14x, correct? And here it is 126. Now it is correct. So the next term of quotient will be 14 plus 14. So when we multiply with this plus 14, it will be 14x. 14 nines are 126. So it is 126. Now all the terms get cancelled and remainder will become 0. Okay, now this is our expression of interest. So we will further factorize this expression, and we will find rest of the two values of x. So for that, it get the middle term will be splitted in minus 7x plus 2x, and further we will make pair, and we will get different values of x, like this. Okay, so clear ho gaya ye question? X is equal to 2 and 7 are the two other roots of this equation. Okay. Now the next second part, that or one, na? Inverse, in which we have to find inverse.
Yes, sir.
जस्ट एक्चुअली आज की क्लास एंड करें क्या? मुझे कहीं जाना था, थोड़ा कॉल आ रहा है. ओके, वी विल कंटिन्यू इन नेक्स्ट
Yes,
क्लास.
sir.
ओके,
Sir, tomorrow we will be having differentiation class.
एक्चुअली टुमारो